guys, welcome back. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and depending on when this video gets posted, a Happy New Year. But we are out here. It's actually a pretty day today. It's not too bad for that New Orleans weather. Got that wind blowing, so I apologize for that wind. We got Voodoo Queen behind me, and she got something in for Christmas, which I'm really excited to put on. But on that note, listen, I want to thank you guys for all of your love and support that you've given me. Please make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel. It really helps everything. Okay, well, let's go see what we got. Come check this out. So, guys, here it is. Oh, yeah. I have been wanting one of these for a minute. And, yeah, as you guys can see, it is from Liquivinyl, which, if you guys have watched the previous video, Liquivinyl is the splitter I have in my car. So this is the Wicker build for my GT350. We're gonna go ahead and unwrap this. So before we get started, we got some new members of the family. That is a cat toy. That is not for you. This is Chester, our golden retriever. Say hi, Chester. Welcome to the channel, Chester. Yay, Chester's excited to be here today. Another newest member to our family is Stormy. Stormy, say hi to the channel. Say hi. All right, Stormy. And the last newest member of our family is hiding. Say hi, Callie. Say hi. Oh, no, Callie's a little shy. Okay, well, we'll try to get her later. So excuse the mess. It is Christmas. Look at all these freaking cat toys and stuff we got. Like, I'm about to donate this. My godson gave me that. Coolest gift yet. Pretty sure the wife's not going to allow it to stay there. But she's not home right now. So we can put it wherever we want. And that's cool with me. So before we unbox it, the Wicker build is an extension to the spoiler. My wife got me that for Christmas. I was kind of contemplating on getting one. I didn't do an install video on the splitter, which I'll show you guys real quick, the splitter that I got from the same company. So this is the Liquivinyl splitter that I got, and don't get me wrong, it looks absolutely amazing. I love it. Yes, I did add the white stripe to it. I just thought it kind of add a little bit, made it pop, but it was not an easy install. It was really hard, really difficult, even to get those tie rods in there. So my point being is, I really like it, but it was just a headache, and I didn't want to do any more stuff to it. And I was like, you know what? Whatever. She got it for me for Christmas. It can't be as hard as this. So I'm going to try to do an install video for you guys so you can see how it's done. I am not a professional, so do not take my word for anything you see. I'm just, hopefully it's just a guideline to help you guys if you decide to get one for your car, because you can get them for regular cars, not just the GT350s, pretty much every Mustang they make them for. So let's unbox it, let's see what we got. I already cut it, so it should just slide out. Yeah. All right. Watch the fan. Oh, that's great. There's some goodies in here. And that's it. Right, so, and check this out. I'll see if I can get it opened up, because we are putting this on today. I mean, it's well packaged. I mean, look at that. I like how they cover both ends in that plastic, or like that vinyl protectant. So, really good job with shipping. I didn't have any problems when they shipped my splitter off either. It came well packaged. It also comes with everything you need to install. So they really do a good job with that. If anybody wants these for their Dodge Charger or Challenger, I'll be selling these for, we'll do $110 and you pay for shipping. These will look great on the front splitter of your, like I said, Dodge Challenger or Charger. Yeah, for sale. Link in bio. It'll be awesome. Oh yeah, that's gonna look beast. Not sure what the arrows are for, but I'm sure we'll figure that out later. So we'll set this on the side. The back piece. Sweet. We're gonna go ahead and leave that in the plastic just for now. So cool. So man, I'm really excited. That's gonna look so awesome. And of course, we got our bag of goodies over here. Man, even their bags are really great. Great advertisement. So everything's really packaged well. There's going to be all of our material, probably no instructions, and of course some decals, which I might actually stick that decal on there. Okay, so basically what I can see here, there's going to be 3 on each side, 1 in the center. Look at this too. I don't know if you guys can see that. They even got the Liquivinyl logo on the washers. Really great hardware. So we did get a rivet tool in. So we have a rivet tool, but now we get some drill bits. So let me get some tools and let's wish me the best of luck. So I can't find any instructions, any details, nothing on how to install this thing. I know for the rib nut, I'm gonna need a bigger drill bit, so I wanna get some fresh ones. Sounds so good. So we're gonna head over to the store so we can get some fresh drill bits, so let's take a ride. Oh, get it, Daddy, get it. Oh, shit. That doesn't get old. Here we are, low, sweet lows. All right, let's get it. Oh my God, there's so many, and it's so small. Hey, if you guys see it, let me know, because I don't see 23 by 64 anywhere. Order. All right, we'll be right back. I give up. I've been here for like an hour. Apparently like a 3/8 is the equivalency of a 2364 or whatever, but I found this. So in the very back there, you see it right there, 2364. So it's in this set. So we're just gonna buy the whole set and get out of here, because I've been here too long. So let's go check out.
79.98.
$79. $79. I know you guys are probably typing away. I'm probably going to use something else, but I couldn't find anything, and I'm excited to get this installed in my car. Let's go. Why do you keep falling? Stay up there. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Okay, so we're about ready to get started. So again, this is not a how-to video. This is just basically a guide that I hope it helps you. I couldn't find any installation or anything on there, so we got everything we need. So we've got our drill bit, 2364, our M6 rivet tool, and I got an S2 bit for the actual screws that go in there. What I did was I went ahead and lined it up, the center hole, directly center. I mean, to center as I could get, measuring everything. I'm gonna go ahead and drill that one, and then once it gets drilled, I'll mark the other holes, but I did put tape so I could see the marker. So, let's drill. Oh. All right, here we go. Seemed pretty harmless. Just be very careful. You don't want to go all the way through. So I put the tape on just so it was a clean hole. So push it in, really flush. Okay, guys, be careful. You just gotta really push it in there. It's very tight fit. But I did a little adjusting. I'm sorry I didn't catch it on camera. I didn't know it was going to work. Just adjust the rivet tool, and you should be able to get it in there. So I got it. So let's go ahead and drill those other holes, and then I'll kind of show you guys what I did. And hopefully that helps out, because this was kind of tricky to get that in there. Like I said, nice and easy. You don't want to go all the way through. Tape off, get our rib nuts in. Yeah, so I broke one of the rivets, so I went ahead and just kept it on there. That way it's not lying around the house. I ordered some new rivets. They'll be here Thursday, so it's just going to be like this for like a day and a half. So I just kind of put it on there just so it wouldn't get in the way of anything. I didn't put the centerpiece on. So, yeah. So definitely a learning experience. I know, like I said, it's not a really good installation guide. I don't know what I'm doing. There's no instructions, which I'm really disappointed didn't come with. But we're trying. So we'll check back in about a day and a half when I get the extra rivet in, and then we'll finish it, complete it up, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Okay, here's a little tip I found out. When you put in there, it's not going to go all the way in because it's hitting the top of the spoiler. So slowly start to clamp it and push, and it should go right in. Yes. So I hope that helps out. All right, let's put it all together. All right, guys, so we got all the rivet nuts in. I'm trying to hurry up. We're losing daylight. There is a gloss side and a non-gloss side. I'm gonna use the gloss side. I'm gonna put the center one in first just to hold it. I'm gonna go ahead and get these in ones. I'm sure there's several ways to do this. I'm not gonna over tighten those yet till I get them all in there. Here's a clear piece. So I don't think there's a right or wrong way to put this on. So I'm gonna take the center one back out. And there we go. Oh man. All right, so I'm losing light fast. It is done. It's not a hard job at all. It's pretty simple. Once I figured out what I was doing, because there was no instructions. I hope this helps. Biggest thing is just make sure you have the right tools. You need a decent rivet tool, 23 by 64 drill bit, and an M6 rivet nut tool. And that's it. Let's check it out. So I know it's a little hard to see because we are losing daylight, but oh, that's the first time I looked at it from over here. I like it. Sorry about the trash. It was Christmas. I really like it. I really, really like it. Definitely adds some flavor to the car. It's not over eccentric. I think it really, really blends well. I could tint that. I'm not sure if I'm going to. I kind of wanted it clear just so it's a different piece than tinted. I know you can get it tinted if you wanted, but there it is, guys. I hope there's enough light out here to see it. Man, it looks good. So that angle right there is just beast mode. So, okay, so on that note, we're losing light fast. I've got to pick up this mess of tools. I got to cook dinner. So it did take me 2 days to do it because I had to wait for some more rivet nuts to come in because I broke one. I hope this helps. Feel free to inbox me if you have any questions. I'll be glad to help you with it. I know this video is not the best. This is not an installation guide. Just hopefully a guide that helps you figure out how to do it. Since y'all had no instructions, Liquivinyl. Get y'all stuff together, man. Get some instructions for these people so they know how to put these things on and don't take them 2 days like me. Anyway, final verdict, I like it. Installation out of 1 to 10. I'm gonna say a 5 just because you have to drill into your car. And if you mess that up, yeah, it's gonna cost you a spoiler, but really not that bad. Anyway, I really hope you guys liked today's video. I'm trying to bring you guys content. I'm trying to keep some mods going for the vehicle. Got a Wicker build going on this one next. That's gonna be fun. So if you guys like what you saw today, hey, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and anything you guys wanna see, just put it down in the comments below. I'll have the links for all the parts and stuff that I use, and also a link to the webpage where you can get the Wicker build if you want it. I recommend it, it's awesome. Oh, let's look at this view one more time over here. That's the money shot right there. That's the money shot. So on that note, man, you guys have a great day. Thank you for all your support. I love you guys. Have a good night. And if I don't see you, Happy New Year. Peace.